Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Freeport, Texas, a coastal city with a rich history and beautiful natural surroundings. Our journey begins as we travel over the San Luis Pass Bridge, a scenic route that connects the mainland to Galveston Island. This bridge offers stunning views of the Gulf of Mexico and the surrounding wetlands, which are home to a variety of wildlife and plant species. The San Luis Pass area is known for its fishing and birdwatching opportunities, attracting nature enthusiasts from all over. The pass is a vital waterway that connects the Gulf of Mexico to West Bay, playing a significant role in the region's ecosystem. Once we reach the other side, we drive through the town of Freeport itself. Freeport is a city with a long history, dating back to its founding in the early 20th century. It has grown from a small settlement into a bustling community, thanks in part to its deep water port. The port has been a key factor in the city's development, supporting industries like shipping and petrochemicals. As we continue our drive, we make our way to the beach, where the city meets the Gulf of Mexico. The beach in Freeport is a wide, sandy stretch that offers a peaceful retreat for visitors and locals alike. It's a great place to relax, swim, or simply enjoy the sound of the waves. Driving on the beach itself is a unique experience, allowing us to get up close to the water and feel the ocean breeze. Thank you for joining us on this drive in Freeport, Texas, where coastal charm makes this area a special place to visit. Thanks for watching!